Hello and welcome back. We are at day 13 out of 14 for our challenge. I'm super excited. Today is going to be a full body tone and I'm going to have a set of 1 pound weights on my wrist, but you don't need any equipment at all. You can do all of this without, and we are going to head to the floor at the second portion of class. So if you have a mat, I would go ahead and grab that. But we're gonna do minimal cardio today. It's gonna be mostly on strengthening and toning, and we have 15 minutes to do it. So let's go ahead and get this party started. All right, so let's bring our feet nice and wide. I want you to bring your arms out from your shoulders. You start to press front, front. So just a little press straight in front of the body. We're just warming up the arms. Press, press. Good, stay right here. We have 8. We have 6, in 4, 3, your right arm is reaching high. We reach up and drop, switch, left and drop, reach and lower. Give me 4 more, 3, 2, good, hold it at the bottom, flip your palms down. We press down and down. Find that resistance, find that tension. Keep your shoulders pressing down the back. We're starting in on just the upper body, and then we'll move to the lower body in just a moment. That's it. Hold the press. Right arm goes high. You go lift and drop. We go lift, we drop. Squeeze and press. You should start to feel it in your shoulder blades, the tops of those shoulders. Reach and lower. We have 2. Now we're gonna take both arms to the top. We lift up, drop, squeeze your chest, take it up. We lift, we lower, squeeze and press. Lift, lower, squeeze, press, inhale, exhale. Give me 4 more sets. Lift and squeeze. Here's 3. Squeeze, you've got it. Last 2. Last one right here. Hold this next one out, little circles. Take it back and back. Carving out that upper body. Keep it slightly in front of you. Give me 8. Give me 6. Let it burn. 4, 3. We're gonna reverse that circle. Scoop it back. You've got it. Reach to those fingertips. Little breather coming up. Here's 8. Here's 6. In 4, 3, 2, you're gonna pull your elbows into the side, reach it out, and then bend to 90 degrees. Lower down, do it slow one more time. You pull into the sides, reach it straight out, curl it in, double time, 1 count. You pull in, out, curl, and drop. In, out, curl, and drop. Squeeze, reach. As you drive the elbows in, feel your upper back squeeze together. 4 more, go 4. In. That's it, here's 3. So good. 2 more. Last one like this. Hold the arms at 90 degrees. Little presses here, take it up. Up. Yes, just breathe into it. You can do this. 8, 6, here for 4, 3, 2, bring those elbows in, press up and up. Right out from those shoulders, 90-degree bend. We're here for 8. For 6, we're gonna hit those tricep extensions in 3, 2, 1. Hinge it forward, reach it back. Go curl and reach. Squeeze and reach. In and back. Hold this next one back. You have 4 little lifts. You're gonna lift 4, 3, 2, hold the lift, then squeeze in, 4 squeezes, then we lift, lift, lift. Oh yeah, squeeze it in. 4, 3, 2, keep going, straight arms up, up. Squeeze it in. 4, 3, 2, 1 more each way. Take it up. Woo! And squeeze. 4, 3, 2, hold it here, just breathe. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, on 1, release your arms, roll your shoulders back. Go ahead and meet me down on the ground. We are gonna head into a little bit of upper body work and lower body work. So you're gonna take those hands right underneath your shoulder blades. I want you to take your left leg and extend it behind you. Square your hips down to the ground, press your shoulders down the back. Abs are tight. Here's your 2 movements. You're gonna tap your toe down, up, down, and then you're gonna bend your elbows, lower down, press it back to the top, 2 toe taps. We go lower, lift, bend it down, we press it up. So we're working that glute right where the hamstring meets the glute, as well as our triceps as we lower and press to lift. Abs are working the entire time. Inhale down, exhale to press. Do 4 more sets. Go tap, lift, bend the elbows, press it up. Woo! 2 more. Keeping that leg nice and straight, energy out your toe, and press. Last set like this. Go tap, lift, bend to lower, hold it at the top, just lift that leg, little lift. Nice and parallel, okay? So keep your left hip shining down to the ground, keep it going. Up, lift, and lift. Woo! We got it, y'all. Give me 8, give me 6. Here's 4, 3, hold the lift, flex your heel, you're gonna curl into the seat, and then reach it back behind you. Curl in for 2, press back for 2. Slow curl, reach. In, try to keep your upper leg locked into position, nice and stable. Give me 2 more curls. You got it, y'all. Last curl here, you're gonna hold this one into the glute, little stomp up to the ceiling. Press up, press and press. Keep it up. Hold that heel a little closer into your ledge, heel to the sky. We finish with 8 more presses. Take it 8, take it 6. We got 4, 3, 2, on 1. You can carefully drop that knee down, press yourself up and roll out those legs. We're gonna take that second side, you guys, so go ahead and set yourself up, hands under your shoulders. This time your right leg extends back, square your hip to the ground, abs are tight, you have 2 toe taps. Tap, lift, tap, then bend those elbows down for 2. Exhale, press for 2. Again, we tap, lower, lift, down, and press. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Inhale down, exhale up. Keep it going. Lower, lift, down, and press. You got it. Tap, lift, lower for 2, lift back for 2. Two more sets like this. Go tap, press, tap. The height of the leg does not matter here. You want to keep the control through the core. Last set. Inhale down. Exhale up. Just lift that heel to the beat. Take it up. Press and press. Woo! Keep those hips square. Maintain your core. Let's go. Press, lift. Energy out that toe, straight leg. Let's go. Final 8. We got 6, 4, 3. Hold the lift. Flex your heel. Curl in for 2. Reach back for 2. Curl in for 2. Reach back for 2. If you start to feel it in your wrist here, you can come down to your forearms and protect those wrists. Squeeze to curl. Press it back. Woo! Give me 4. Reach. 3. Reach. Here for 2. Last one, hold that heel to the seat, little stop to the sky, press it up, lift, lift. Stay with me, pull that heel in, a little tighter towards your glutes, shoulders down, abs tight, finish in your best form. Final 8 right here, that's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, on 1. Drop that knee, press yourself all the way up, roll out your wrist. We are finishing off with a little bit of core work and ab work. Let's take our right knee down, left leg long. Reach your left arm over your shoulder. You're gonna start to lift up for 2, then down for 2. Woo. Lift for 2, lower for 2. So this is oblique work, but also outer glute work. Really pull your abs to help lift that leg. Give me 4, 3, lift. You got it. Last 2. Last one, hold it at the top. Just hold here, breathe into it. For 4, 3, 2, on 1. Drop that knee. Oh my goodness. Roll it out. We're gonna switch into that second side right away. Place your left hand down. Place your right leg long. Reach up and over that shoulder. Pull your abs up and in. Start to lift for 2. We lift. We drop. Inhale. Exhale. Lift and lower. You got it. Squeeze. Lift. 4 more like that. Keep it up. Press. 3. Woo! So strong, y'all. You got 2. Last one, we hold it at the top. Just hold right here. Breathe. You've got this. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Drop that knee down. Come onto your forearms. Meet me in a low plank. Feet go back. Shoulders down, tuck your hips. Just hold and freeze. Warming up our core. Keeping that back nice and flat. Energy from the top of your head out to the backs of your heels. Let's go. We have 8. We have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees down. We're gonna flip onto our backs for our final pushes into our core. So go ahead and lay on back, pull your knees into your chest, reach your hands past your hips, shoulders are lifted. You're gonna extend one leg, then switch other leg, speed it up. Pull in. Actively push your low back down into your mat. Keep it here for 8, 6, in 4. We're gonna add a little twist, hands behind our head. Twist opposite elbow to opposite knee. Twist. 8 more. 8, 6, 4, 3. Bring it back to center, just those knees. In and in. We have 8, 6. We hit those twists in 4, 3, 2. Twist it side to side. Keeping those shoulders high. Keep it going for 8, 6, 4, 3. Bring it back to our center, just those knees. Finish strong. Finish proud. 4, 3, 2. We twist it. Let's go. Take it out. So good. 8, 6, in 4, 3. Come to the center. Pull both knees in. You're gonna pull into the chest. Then reach it out. Pull into the chest. Reach it out. in and out. Just 4.
The sunlight touches down and fills your
2.
soul, your soul.
Last one.
Like a floating
Good, bring those knees into your chest. Let your head fall onto your mat. Just rock those hips side to side.
when the skies are gray and you're feeling down.
Good, reach everything long on the mat. Take a big full body stretch. Shake it out, you guys. 15 minutes really does fly by.
To your heart, make you feel
All right, and when you're ready, you can rock and roll yourself up to a seated position and give yourselves
stay apart.
a big round of applause. That was day 13. Tomorrow is our final day of the challenge. I'm gonna give you a nice long stretch and recovery, so make sure to meet me back here for that, and you will have officially completed these 14 days of dance cardio and toning. So much fun, so proud of you, and make sure to comment below if you've been along on this journey with me, and we will see you back tomorrow.